Here I have a Husky this is a 17-gallon this unit won't refill the air. See here, once it go up to 150, it's supposed to stop, and then once the air go down to 8 bar, it's supposed to refill itself. But the other day I used my spray gun and I was running it all night, so the water get in there. So the first thing I did was drain the water in the tank. And there was a lot of dirty water in there, but that didn't fix the problem, because the tank won't refill itself. So I have to take it apart. So I took the cover off. This is the cover. You just unclip the 6 clip on the back and the side. Unclip it. There's a two screw in here in the back and the front. You have to remove 2 Phillips screw, and the plastic will pop out. There's 4 bolts in the bottom, but you don't have to open that. So I look on YouTube, and the first thing they say was the switch. You can see, but my switch is just fine. There's no problem with the wire. So the second thing I look for is the it's hot. So the second thing I look for is this unit. This is the trail bolt. 4 trail bolt in here that you have to unscrew. And I open this, and I just open it and put it back together. And that's all I did. Everything looked fine on it. So, but after I put it back, the air come back up 150. It refills up to 150. Before it just come up to 75 and it stopped. Now it go up to 9 bar, almost 10 bar, and then it stop. And then once the air go down, you can see it go back to number 8 bar, and this time it will refill itself. I have a footage of it running, so I guess the unit is working now. All I did was open it and open this thing and take a look if see anything wrong. But I don't see anything wrong. I just put it back, and I don't know why, but that fixed it. Maybe because I have a second one to the spray gun. Maybe because I put a second one here. I don't know if that's the problem. But now I took this one out and tried without this thing and remove that and put it back. Now the unit's working fine. So I'm gonna put everything back together. I use this unit for this tank for spray painting, and it's worked just fine. This is probably a 17-gallon. Let's see if I can reach down there. 17-gallon, 1.7 horsepower. I don't know, 5, maybe 5. I don't know. The max PSI is 150. So after fix it, it go up to the max. So I think it's working now. So I'm gonna put everything back together and I start using my spray gun again. So that's it. Here is the footage. You can see it's filling up to 150. Let's see. It's gonna take a few minutes. Okay, right about now it should fill to the max. Okay, now I can release the air. I'm gonna release some air to see if it go back to number 8 and see if it's can restart. Right now there's air in there, so it stopped, but it's gonna see it runs in a minute. There, it's started again. At 8 bar, it runs back up again. So I guess that's it for Sunday.